Let me ask you something. Why some manager lead average team when the other managers create high performance team, unlock hidden talent, and accelerate it straight to the top? Why some managers and leader always been called by the HR department or the other manager of the company and request them to provide training for their team about different topic, and finally other company and even the other different external community invite them to come over and provide training for the employees and even their managers and leaders? Here's the truth. It's not about the luck or it's not about the pure experience. It's the ability to coach, train, and elevate the people around them. And that one skill changed my life. My name is Masud Parvez. I became a manager at the age of 23 in a foreign country, and then I became a senior manager at the age of 26, and then I became a director or head of the department at the age of 29. I was leading 160 people nationwide. At the same time, I founded a nonprofit where I was leading around 300 plus members nationwide. No, I didn't have a massive connection because I was already in a foreign country. I don't have any insider informations or connections as well too. But I had one thing that accelerated my career and journey: the ability to coach my team to perform like a champion, to build trust, drive results, and unlock the next level. That thing made me valuable. That's what got me promoted and fast. Most managers think their job is to assign tasks and monitor the progress. Wrong. Your main job, the real job, is to develop your team members. Because when your team member grows, you raise with them. That's why the world's greatest managers are also very powerful facilitator, trainer, or even coach. They don't just manage, they ignite the potentials. And that's exactly what this course will enable you to do. Since 2019, I have trained managers, leaders from different multinational companies and local companies across the globe. Different industries, different cultures, different functions, but always the same result. My methods help managers coach their teams to exceed targets, build high trust culture, or even launch their own training careers. I have interviewed thousands of professionals and built their performance management system and facilitated strategy sessions for different departments, which completely changed the game in terms of result making for those departments. So now I have packed all of those method approaches put together into this Train the Trainer program for you. Through this program, you will learn exactly how to coach, train, facilitate top 1% of the leader. That means you will boost your team's performance, you will gain respect and influence as a leader, you will expand your professional network through channel development, and you will open doors to a passion-driven career in training and coaching. Whether you want to lead better or start your journey as a trainer, this course will give you the system, skills, and confidence to do it at the highest level. Here is what is waiting for you inside this program. My proven coaching frameworks used by global companies, real-life examples, and practice tasks to sharpen your facilitation power, techniques to deal with difficult learners, low engagement, and resistant team members, and most importantly, a certificate from VSHR Pro Academy to launch your credibility as a professional trainer. This isn't a surface level course. This is a complete transformation tool for professionals who is ready to step up, lead smarter, and coach with confidence. One of my learners is a manager from Vietnam told me this: John, I used to struggle to get my team to spark up in meetings. But after applying your first session technique, not only but they speak up They started challenging ideas, sharing feedbacks, and taking ownerships. This is not just about soft skill. This is a career breakthrough weapon. So, here's the question. Will you keep managing the old way, assigning tasks, hoping people grow? Or you will step into the next version of yourself, a leader who empowers others, commands respect, and leave a legacy. This is your moment, and this is what changed everything. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll the program right now. Join the ranks of transformational leaders who just don't assign tasks and lead people, but they elevate and create breakthrough result out of the team and take the company to the next level. I will see you inside, and let's train the next generation leaders and trainers together.